Hi students, Logan Phillips here, Professor B. A quick progress check and a few key reminders so nobody gets surprised later. First, the milestone update. If you're in the 8-week course, you're about 50% done now. If you're in your 16-week course, you're about 25% done. Either way, this is the point where people either get consistent or start drifting. Don't drift. Now, the points per module, each module is 107.5 points, and they are broken down where pre-quizzes are worth 2.5 points. That's updated at the end of the semester. The Smart Book is worth 20 points. Your case study is worth 50 points. Your Power BI assignments are 10 points. Those are those follow-along videos. And your module exam is worth 25 points. Now, some modules also have a bonus reflection opportunity, which is worth anywhere between 5 and 15 points, depending on what I'm asking. That's the only extra credit in this course. So if you want a buffer, take it when it is available. Now, the total points and how you calculate your grade, this course as a total is 1,000 possible points. There is no running total grade column in Blackboard, so you need to estimate your grades manually. There are two ways. You can either do it by overall progress. If you've earned, say, 350 points, then 350 divided by 1,000 is 35%. That's basically your minimum grade if you did nothing else, which you are not going to be doing. Now, your current grade estimate for completed modules, take the number of modules you finished, multiplied by 107.5. So if you finished two modules, that's 215 points so far. Then divide your points earned by 215 to estimate your current grade. Now for deadlines and finals, two big reminders. No late work is accepted. If you miss a deadline, don't email me a novel. Just move forward to the next module. The final exam and final project are locked down, limited attempts, and they matter a lot for your final grade. There are 100 possible points in the final exam itself. Plan ahead so you're not trying to cram or troubleshoot at the last second. And for the face-to-face course, your final course exam is in person during our scheduled final class period. If you're struggling, if you're behind or confused, don't suffer in silence. Come to the labs. It's usually on Mondays. I'll post the deadline or the time and location. If you'd like to come join the face-to-face lab, go down to the learning labs at any given campus and they can help you right along. All right, stay focused, keep moving, and reach out if you have a specific question about points, deadlines, or where you stand. Otherwise, have a very fruitful day. Bye, guys.